Think domes are just for sports arenas? Think again. While iconic stadiums may be the most visible domes in our cities, these remarkable structures serve countless industrial and commercial purposes around the world. And here's why. Bulk storage solutions. Domes excel at storing cement, minerals, fertilizers, and other bulk materials. Their high-volume design provides maximum storage in a minimal footprint. Environmental protection. Domes offer superior weather-tight properties and dust control, making them ideal for environmentally sensitive storage operations. Structural integrity. With no pillars or joints connecting the walls, the seamless profile of a dome provides excellent resistance to earthquakes and severe weather conditions. Construction efficiency. The shotcrete technique eliminates the need for formwork and shoring, reducing construction waste and enabling rapid building even in challenging weather. Space optimization. Domes provide high-volume storage within a smaller footprint than traditional rectangular structures. The next time you see a dome, remember, it might not be hosting a championship game, but it could be playing a crucial role in industries that power our everyday lives.